Yeah. Like
Oh my
that,
god! No, I fucking hate Crockley. Holy shit! Dirt.
Well, I wouldn't be stuttering if he actually did it. I have to repeat myself.
Oh shit, Pearson.
I don't know how to.
Head.
Okay, we'll teach you. He's like.
Shut the fuck up.
Okay, Bibby.
Oh, shit, no,
Alright.
no,
Nigga
not
said
funny.
big.
Pull up the live stream. Let's go.
The fuck? Is he haunted?
Look at the call.
Look at the calls he was in
Are
there.
you Ed?
You actually
Not Bibby.
Baby?
Wait, no, Bibby's not here?
No, nigga.
You actually might be Ed.
You actually might be Ed for that one, we can't.
Yeah, you're actually Ed.
Ed?
Oh, he doesn't know about Ed. He doesn't know about Ed.
Oh, I thought he was in this call still. Alright, see what happens.
No.
So we Ed.
Oh, fuck it.
Ed boy. Ed boy.
Alright, well,
Yo, Edboy 3000. Yo, Edboy 3000.
yeah, 1v1 me. 1v1 me, bitch.
Oh shit.
Stop it. He's on it.
Can you do it again?
Oh, I actually do not want. Oh, I actually don't want him in this stage. What the fuck?
I just two-stocked a level 100 Orion with a
I did
quarter.
1100 Orion.
Like, Johnny, let me hear you do it. You do it.
Yo,
I'm trying to
Evan,
practice.
1v1 me.
Nigga, I'm really busy. I'm sorry.
Come 1v1 me.
Like, exactly.
Yeah. Ew, dirty nigga.
Evan, you're just not accurate.
Yo, Evan.
You don't even try to change the tone of your voice. It's just always in your normal tone.
Dumb nigga.
You have to raise your tone a bit.
No, because if I do it, then I'm gonna have a voice crack, and then I'm gonna look like a like.
You're already Ed, so what are you worried about?
Yeah, like what the fuck?
There's like no downside.
The fuck? Don't hear this nigga?
Oh, you are. You're all my little pets.
I bet. See what happens to your rolls.
Joking, not you. You're like a high rank. But everyone else who's my rank and lower, my pets.
Oh shit.
Entourage is my little pet.
Oh shit, preaching.
Ethan, fight back.
Welcome back,
You
my
fight
friends.
How about you finally get a win against me in Brawlhalla?
Oh shit.
Do it, I'll literally get you 1,000 mammoth coins.
Oh shit.
I care.
Yeah, I think you do.
I can't. Did my Euro just die?
No!
Yeah, I think he died. Fuck.
I'm dead.
Oh my gosh, this bitch is actually strong.
Hey.
Oh shit.
Hey. Oh. I don't remember Pieton starting with a K, but.
This guy could have rage baited.
I don't think it's working. Ew, what the fuck is that? John, shut the fuck up.
31.
Ew.
The fuck? The fuck?
Oh, fuck up. Yeah, no one cares.
Yeah, no one cares.
Oh. Oh, it's truly something else.
No problem.
Fuck.
Yo.
Joni. Level 100 Marduk, I'm
Oh,
good.
tell sluts be quiet.
Why is he like projecting?
That means you too. Try again.
The fuck?
Help! I wrote this guy on Brawlhalla, he's cracked.
If I'm lying now, but that must mean everything else is true. Like Johnny being Cookies and Cream is #1 gay porn star.
Oh!
So,
Blaze! Blaze!
Yeah, Johnny, you love a lot of Glaze.
Oh!
You're a big Glaze fan. Why do you think you're #1?
That's the allegations.
And you're getting changing. And the way the energy changing.
Cookies and Cream, are you gonna speak up? Are you gonna tell us your truth?
Oh shit. Who's he talking to? I just don't even know.
You, buddy.
Why?
Mr. Creamy himself.
The fuck?
Like I'm usually naming people for him.
Magyar.
okay.
What?
You're in fantasy land?
Oh, shit.
Fat.
Chill.
Dumb nigga.
Are you in?
Not laughing.
Fat. Quiet in Thraja. Let me see I'm locked in.
No.
What?
Oh my god, I'm insane with greatsword.
Okay, so more like, be real though.
Oh my god, I'm just drowning in heart.
You said you were taking culinary class. You're not gonna eat all the food. Like you promised.
What's a fucking order?
Honestly, we didn't even eat the food we made. We just did stuff for catering.
No, like more. What if they're like, okay guys, I hope this way.
No, my will is dead.
Why is it all gone? There's like only crumbs left.
More.
You're like, no more. You're like cheeks out like stuff. You're like,
I would have gotten fired if that happened.
No more. You have to like point at Johnny. You have to point at him.
I lost.
Dude, everybody would know if it's Johnny.
Thanks.
Does it do like an X-ray of his gut?
Wait, always
Like an
gut.
ultrasound. You know how he's like he's pregnant? Oh,
Yeah, I know. Name one person who cares.
and I have 12.
And I
I care. I
Johnny.
care. I really do. I really care.
Thank you, Evan.
that nigga's lying.
I
You guys
lied.
have. No, Evan made me fuck up. Evan made me fuck up, but he should be fucking up.
Oh shit.
With his legs.
Okay, that was some diddy shit.
Was it?
Yes.
Oh, fuck this guy.
A pig.
Oh my god, fuck this guy.
I don't think Rock does enough damage to kill this guy. Oh my gosh, he just killed him. That's huge.
That's what she said.
No, bro. No. Sunfish jumps, I swear. You fucking greasy pig.
Yo, Johnny.
What?
Hey, Garden Warfare, do you even like fuck with the tattoos?
The tattoos, what?
Tattoos.
Yeah. Like,
Oh my god! No, I fucking hate Crockley. Holy shit.
Johnny, you
Shut up.
battle cats.
You're getting out of a
Fucking
battle
battle
cat.
Oh, my unit died. Oh my gosh. Do you hear yourself?
You hear yourself?
Oh my god, he died. Johnny, you know there's a retry button.
I'm the replay button. Let's Loki kind of canceled too.
Oh man, they love the bigger, better butter.
The
I
fuck?
don't even see it until I'm dead.
My units might be cooked. Fuck. This fucking zombie hippo! Oh my gosh, I hate this fucking game.
Damn!
Fuck. Damn!
Oh shit, I'm getting clipped. No, please. I'm alive. Oh, I'm getting my ass fucking whooped.
Bro, how much HP does this zombie hippo have? Holy shit.
So Johnny,
How are they back?
Johnny, Iron Station is so tank.
I'm restarting this shit. What the fuck?
What do you say?
Well, you might want to fuck up one day. Say more. Are you a low rank?
I think I'm leaving.
Good.
More, don't leave, cow.
Dude, I just can't beat it anymore. Pigs.
Oh, like when the pig shocked you.
Yeah.
Please just hit the fucking Professor A, I beg of you. Just do your job.
Good job.
Oh my gosh, I don't want that Zombo Burrow. My Euro's already dead. Great, I love this stage.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Makes it so much easier. Alright, let's speed this shit up.
What the fuck am I doing? No! Where's my recovery? Okay, game dog shit. Better give me a fucking weapon, man. Sorry, Sig. This guy's passive as shit. Oh my, this guy's fucking passive. This guy, John, why'd you passive?
Nigga, why you calling my name?
Don't be so aggressive, Toronto. Come on.
Yo, I meant to desig.
Dude, you're an aggressive pig. That's why.
Oh shit.
You gotta slow things down.
This guy is Evan here?
No?
This Mort's a fucking faggot, I swear to God.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Like, fuck Christian? Like, why you
I'm
doing that?
reporting him. I'm actually reporting him after this.
You're gonna get a spanking for that.
The fuck?
By my hand.
This guy is passive as shit.
A spanking.
Dante, you might want to fuck up.
Oh my, Audi not dead.
Oh, you're gonna get one too.
Shut up, nigga. I ain't getting shit from you, bitch.
Don't mistake it.
Why is he only aggressive when I'm unarmed?
That's when you're most vulnerable. Girl,
Yo,
can
I'm
this bitch?
messaging-
I already thank you.
Yo,
I'll be like you.
fuck, holy shit.
Got you, fucking
Yeah, not fucking passive, holy shit.
Yeah, no, I'm just like, what I'm telling you. Yeah, I put it bigger that wall. Maybe make it bigger. Because you know, like, the one there, like, it's still fine. The way better, the bigger it is, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, like, the bigger it is, like, the better you can see it, anyway. Yeah, I'm fucking like, I already had, like, yeah.
Hurry up.
Oh, I killed him.
Sometimes I'm doing a little bit, but that's not before the like, straight it out, you know. Like, even you over there.
Oh, this guy's so dog shit, bro. Fucking hell. Jeez, fucking passive.
Bitch, hurry up and just die already. Fuck you, man. Just hurry up. Just die. There.
Okay, fuck.
Okay, bro. Why am I losing the fucking peons? Alright, this stage is not base hit. Yeah, I forgot. Why are these Mr. Angels like the tankiest bitches in the world? They're fucking peons! Like, why are they fucking 1v1ing my ramens? What is this stage? Why is a fucking Zoko pushing my entire... Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Holy shit, this stage is booty grease. Oh my gosh, I hate Zoko. It's over. Restart.
Thank fucking God. I am not playing another one after this. Oh, let me report that Mortix player. He's actually a fucking bitch.
I'll be right back.
Is that Mark? He's on your friends list, not mine.
No, he's not. Why are we just lying?
He's not on mine.
He's not on mine either.
Get
Why are you
on
chatting me?
it. That's what he's talking about. Get on it.
Like, fuck up, nigga. It ain't on mine.
Okay, can you play the back rooms? Like, please.
Okay, get everyone else on. Chris fucking left and never came back. They got live.
I bet, hold on. Yeah, I knew he was not coming back.
Do you have this game on your iPad?
Oh,
Shut
shit.
Oh my gosh, there's another one. I need Cosmo really badly, but I can't afford him because it's not base hit for some fucking reason.
Okay, he's not picking up.
Yeah, nice one.
Hello?
Yo, Chris?
Yeah?
No, already picked up.
Why is there another one?
We're trying to play the back room. We're trying to get people on. Want to join?
Uh,
You said you joined back.
I know, I said I joined back.
No, I don't care. Get off your bed. Get off your bed. I don't care. We're playing.
I'm not in my bed, bro.
Get out. Get out.
I'm on my computer.
Why are there two of them? Bro! What is this stage? This is awful. I need a rich. Bro, this is awful.
See, if you don't join back, you're gonna lose the trust.
What do you mean I'm not trust?
Because if you don't join